Welcome back to Sled Dog TikTok. We're in the middle of a snowstorm. This is Gomorrah. We're supposed to get 10 to 14 inches. Good 6 already. Another 10 to 14. It's pretty crazy. You don't get snowstorms like this too often, maybe through your winter. Otherwise, it's usually, like 4 inches here, 3 inches there. It accumulates and packs down, but I did a lot of plowing already just to get ready in case I have an emergency. Hi, Nirvana. Hey, buddy. He's a good boy, Nirvana. Hey, buddy, what do you think about the snow? Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah. Excited about the snow, not excited about all the work that goes involved. This is going to take a good 2-3 days. Look at the dishes are full. Take a good 2-3 days to get everything groomed, right, Rocket? Groomed and packed down, then you got to get the sleds ready, plus another full day of plowing the road, my driveway. Yeah, a lot of work, but it's good. That's what we signed up for, right, Rocket? Oh, good boy. Talk to you later.